this, first we will make homemade gesso. Take 2 spoons of talcum powder. Any talcum powder will work for this. Now take 1 spoon of Fevicol. And 1 spoon of white acrylic color, as we are making white gesso. Then add some water and adjust the consistency. This should be the consistency. Now here I am taking a paint jar and painting it with gesso. Just now I painted it yellow and wrote good vibes only. The clip of me painting was vanished, so I can't show it. And then I painted some black hearts on it. Now creating a black border just to give it a decent look. Now you can see this looks great. Now mix water and Fevicol in same ratio and apply it over the surface. This will hold your color on the place and will make it shine. And it's ready, you can store anything in it. DIY wall hanging. You need wool for this. I wanted the wall hanging to be of 20 inches, so I took 40 inches of wool, cut it into pieces together and fold it in half. Same like this, I made 3 colors, 2 slots of each and arranged it like this. Now you will need a stick, any stick would work. I had this, so I painted it white. Now for attaching this, place it like this and pull it from this loop. Pull all the threads from this loop. As you can see, it's difficult to explain, but you will figure it out. It's pretty easy. Attach all the slots in the same manner as shown. Look something like this. I have this furry wool, so I will attach this here, and here I am gonna cut the edges. Cut in any shape that you like. Totally up to you. You can make it as creative as you want. Now for hanging it on the wall, you need to tie this thread on both the sides. And it's ready. DIY candle holder. For this you will need a circle shaped cardboard and a candle and some pista shells. Now mark the circumference of the candle and place the pista shells like this, so it would look like a flower. You can see here I have completed one round. Now in the same manner apply it to whole cardboard like this. Stick a pista shell between two shells, you can see here. Now you can keep the candle and light it.